Joining us now in a CNBC exclusive, Sarepta Therapeutics CEO Doug Ingram. His first interview since the approval was announced. Doug, thanks so much for being here. So obviously, investors have some jitter surrounding this FDA approval process. What is the FDA concerned about?
Well, let me say, I'm glad that I didn't have an opportunity to bet someone on the post-approval stock price, because I would have lost miserably. I think the stock did go down. It's recovering right now. I think we've seen this recently. You will know this better than me. Some market inefficiencies. Sometimes we have a sort of a fast money sell on news concept. The fact is that if one speaks to any of the sell-side analysts or the large and sophisticated investors that have followed Duchenne muscular dystrophy, we have had nothing but universal excitement about this approval, and rightly so. This approval of ELEVIDYS, first gene therapy of its time for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, is a monumentally important one, both for Duchenne, for Sarepta, and I think for gene therapy. This is our fourth approved therapy. And so for those who wonder about the ability to make ELEVIDYS a success, I would just look to our performance. Over the last 6 years, with our 3 prior approvals, without a single price increase, we have been growing net sales at about a 40% compounded annual growth rate. With those 3 prior approvals, not including ELEVIDYS, we'll do about $925 million this year alone. And ELEVIDYS, with a broader label, has an opportunity to be even more profound than that. In fact, when you think about biotech, if we're successful in our plans and we achieve our goals by the end of next year, we should be profitable. And that really makes us a unicorn in biotech. You'll know that it is fairly rare for any biotech to have a commercial stage, but to be profitable is even rarer still. And what excites me about all of this is that as a mission-driven organization, we can do good by investors by doing good for patients, and that's what ELEVIDYS does.
Yeah, I want to discuss that profitability in a moment, but one of the reasons that the stock sold off was that the FDA essentially said that it may withdraw approval of this drug. Is that a major concern of yours? How confident are you that this will be approved?
Well, I have enormous conviction of this therapy. Not only do I not envision that, so the genuine risk, that's always a theoretical risk for what's called accelerated approvals, which has been a brilliant mechanism to get life-saving therapies to patients as soon as possible. But I think we're going to be successful and broaden this label in the near term to cover the vast majority of children with Duchenne muscular dystrophy living with and dying from Duchenne in the United States and then around the world. We have a confirmatory trial that will read out before the end of this year. We have a commitment with the FDA that is, if our next trial, which we call EMBARK, is successful, they will prioritize reviewing that trial and then broadening our label if we're successful. We want to do that by as early next year as possible. I think that's what's going to happen. That's what gives me so much excitement and so much hope for patients and their families living with Duchenne in the U.S. and around the world.